How to recover Messenger account without Facebook. If you want to recover Messenger without accessing the Facebook, you can use email or mobile number. Open the Messenger application. You can see over here Messenger has been opened. Make sure you're in the login interface. If you want to recover your deactivated Messenger account, you can simply log into your account in order to recover it. But if you want to recover your password, in that case, tap on the option Forget Password. Once you do that, you can search by mobile number or email address. I'm going to enter the email address over here. Tap on the option Continue. Once you do that, normally if you're logged into your Messenger account in the Facebook app, you'll directly be logged into your account. You can see over here I'm being directly logged in. But if you're not logged in the Facebook application, you'll have to go through the entire process of resetting your password. You'll be asked to enter the code sent to your email. Enter that code, go ahead, enter the new password, or you can also skip it. Once you follow through the prompts, your Messenger account will directly be recovered. Like this, you can recover Messenger account without Facebook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.